Many of us have received strange phone calls, people trying to sell something, offer services, or even pretending to be bank employees just to steal our information or scam us. But the real question is, how do they even get our phone numbers? Well, there are a few settings on our phones that can expose our number to unwanted callers. So today we are going to fix that together. Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. Let's jump straight into the setting. First, open your phone app, tap on three dots on the corner, and tap on settings. After that, open block numbers. Here, you can enable the option that blocks all unknown callers. But let me be honest, this feature isn't perfect. Why? Because if someone you don't have saved in your contact tries to call you, even if it's important, the call will be blocked automatically. So, for many people, this option might not be ideal. If it works for you, keep it on. If not, turn this feature off. Let's move to the better option. Go back and enter caller ID and spam. Turn this feature on. This helps your phone identify spam callers and protect you from unwanted calls without blocking legit numbers. And here's another tip. If you ever receive a suspicious call, you can simply search the number on Google with the phrase "Who called me?" There are many websites that collect and list spam numbers, so you can quickly check whether the caller was a scammer. For example, go to Chrome and test "Who call me?" For example, 777-888 and so on. Thank you so much for watching this short video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And now, two more helpful videos are on your screen right now. Make sure to check them out.